What's going on YouTube? I hope everybody's doing great. So today, on today's video, we're gonna go back to the shop and we're gonna check out what's going on with the motor, with the block. God damn, Jesus Christ, somebody just fucking, it had to be a Mustang. Why a fucking Mustang? Like, this dude just went over a fucking curb. What, he was busting a U-turn and this motherfucker just went over a curb. Anyways, so today we're gonna go out and verify that there was some scummy shit that went on with the shop that did the cam swap. So we're gonna go out I'm on my way right now to the shop, and we're gonna find out whether this motherfucker from the last shop screwed me over or not. Because I know that I did get screwed over, but we're gonna see exactly what went down. I got some sources and they gave me some information on what happened, and it doesn't look good. So I'm not expecting any good news right now. All right, so we met at the shop, and the main man is not here, but his right hand man is over at the other shop, which is at the end of this building right over there. I already talked to Javi, and basically he already gave me a little bit of info on the block, and it doesn't sound too good. Just hope I don't have to buy a new fucking block, because if I do, then I'm gonna be real motherfucking pissed off. All right, so we're at the shop and we're going through shit. Got a couple surprises. One of them being the let's see if I can, damn, I can't zoom in. But one of the surprises is that the fucking, if you can see that, the lifter is fucked on, what is it, cylinder 7? Yeah, this is the one that was giving me trouble. And then, yeah, if you could see, and I don't know if you could see, but if you could tell right there, the cam is pitted as fuck, and that wasn't the only one that was pitted as fuck. This one you can kind of tell it's scratched to shit. And then which one was the other one that you were telling me about? Oh, this one's also pitted. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that one's pitted too. So this cam is garbage no matter what. Like, even if I wanted to keep this cam is non-usable. So we're gonna have to go with another cam. And what else? Oh, that mailing pump turned out to be some eBay bullshit.
And this is the original that should have came in.
Yeah, that's the real mailing pump, the one that I should have had. That was garbage. I mean, this one. And the dude told me that these were from eBay. He got eBay lifters. They ain't no fucking LS7 lifters. What else? I mean, dude, it's just kind of funny to me now, dude. I mean, I am kind of mad, pero pues, I mean, I can't do anything with just getting mad, you know? So I'm just trying to look at it from I don't even know how to put it. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, the pinging, this had pinging also. I was trying to see if I can find some
I mean, this guy here was taking a lot of thrust, so for sure it has to be cut off.
Oh yeah, I see. I feel that. Is there any other ones? This one's too.
We haven't even turned the motor over.
This one has some lightweight.
There's a couple of those that are pretty much done, bro. We can't use this cam anymore.
Yeah, no, ain't no way. I mean, either way, I know that cam, it's not gonna be any good. Well, I mean, not any good, but it's not gonna be a real cam. Some bullshit. But yeah, it's got to be overboard for sure. What do you think, 0.005? Because that's kind of what's been holding me off, dude. I don't know what size cam I should be going with.
You have some fucking...
I mean, I'm not cam, I'm in. Did you notice that? Like you didn't even notice that shit was not supposed to be like that, huh?
Yeah, it should have been fully covered.
Yeah, so we just found out that lifter is broken. You can see that little U. It's supposed to be completely sealed like this. Only the little roller is supposed to be exposed like halfway, and that one is blown. You know, that's probably the shavings that I got from under the what do you call it? Well, we still have yet to see the rods to see if it's knocking from there. But so far the lifters have been the issue. All right, so far it's bolts 2, Javi 1. he got one out. The rest of these seem like they're fucking in there with like red Loctite or something. But as you can see, the bull's already stripped. It's rounding off. These two are rounding off. This one, what happened with this one? Is this one coming out?
We're gonna have to drill these two out. No, this one's coming out.
That one's coming out. So
yeah, that one's coming out.
So it's 2 for 2. Bro, look at how much fucking Loctite is up in there. Some scheme going on right here.
This is a little schemy right here.
Little.
The weather right now is a little schemy.
Yeah. Shit.
Fuck, dog.
Now we gotta figure out how to take these two out so we can slide the cam out and we could drop this the lifter through the inside, because I don't think it's gonna come out through the top. All right, y'all, so check it out. We finally got this one off. We're still struggling to get this motherfucker off, but it's on its way. We had to do all types of fucking fighting with this bitch. After 2 torques, 15 drill bits, and 3 hours later, we finally got this bitch ass cap off. And now it's time to get the cam off and get this fucking lifter off. So let's see what this shit looks like finally. All right, so we finally got the cam out, and what do you know? This shit is clean cut. Usually what we get at the barber shop. Every single one of these are shit. This is not a fucking stage 2 cam. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's got some engraving right there, but those seem to be the what do you call it, the
master magicians.
Yeah. RIP this cam. Whatever the fuck it is. Alright, this is another day, and like always I forget to end these videos. So that's it for this video. I actually had to leave the shop, so we couldn't finish the whole video. Plus my boy Javi was busy doing other things, so we had to kind of cut the video right there. But he actually got ahead of since the last video, and the pistons and everything is out. So we're gonna cover that in the next video. Thanks for watching. You guys stay tuned for the upcoming 500 horsepower Trailblazer. Let's go.